Presenting the Havells Stealthwood Ceiling Fan. It is available in pine wood and walnut colors. With 1250 mm sweep size, the fan delivers uniform cooling across the room. It has a wooden finish with IMD designs on body rings and trims. This Havells fan is an IoT-enabled smart fan with iOS, Android and Wi-Fi connectivity. The fan features different modes including Smart Mode, Sleep Mode, Breeze Mode and Schedule Mode. The Smart Mode senses humidity and temperature and adjusts fan speed accordingly. It also comes with Alexa and Google Home connectivity, making it voice command enabled. The fan also features memory backup to regain last operating state of fan in case of power failure. This fan offers automatic on and off through scheduler mode. It comes with 5-level speed control along with timer setting for 2, 4, 6 and 8 hours. Inside the box, you will get fan blades, fan motor, canopy set, twisted wire, down rod cover set, shackle assembly, PCB controller kit with sensor housing, remote, battery, twist-on wire connector and instruction manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.